Today I want to show you how to create a beautiful Christmas or New Year card using a laser and a simple cardboard. And honestly, I really love how it turned out. I have already made simple thank you greeting cards before. I usually include them with my orders. This time I wanted to experiment a bit more, and I asked myself, is it possible to create a truly festive Christmas or New Year card with the laser? Let's start. So I started by creating the design in Adobe Illustrator. I want to use snowflakes pattern I think it will work well for laser coating. Everything in the design is vector based and prepared for clean engraving and coating. I also created a separate file with a decorative frame featuring patterned edges and a New Year greeting that I plan to engrave. I moved to LightBurn, where I set up the engraving and coating parameters. I will show all the settings on screen so you can see exactly how I prepared the file. To reduce the engraving time, I'm changing the settings and selecting fill shapes individually. And look at the difference. The engraving time drops from 28 minutes down to just 11 minutes. For this card, I will be using regular colored cardstock in 2 colors. The base of the card will be made from a dark blue cardstock with a rich, elegant tone. Here you can see the engraving and cutting process in real time. Cardboard is actually a very interesting material to work with. Lightweight, affordable, and surprisingly expressive when engraved correctly. The decorative element, a frame with engraved wishes, will be made from white cardstock. Once all the elements are ready, I assemble the card and add the decorative accents. The file for this card will be available in my Etsy shop, or of course you can use this video as inspiration and create your own design. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know in the comments, would you like to see more laser projects like this?